Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Google Calendar, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you make a Google Calendar for a group? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to make a Google Calendar for a group anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sometimes you have to organize your group for various functions or meetings. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Calendar. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Calendar, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create a Google Calendar for your group, one thing I want to let you know is you probably want to create a new calendar under the same email. And the reason for that is you don't want to accidentally add your personal events into a group calendar. So first, what you're going to do is here on the left side where it says My Calendars, you're going to click on this little plus icon next to Other Calendars. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and click on Create New Calendar. Okay, now you can go ahead and name this calendar. So we'll just name it Group Calendar Google. Okay, here you can add a description if you want to. I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to click on Create Calendar. Okay, just a quick second later, the page refreshes, and then you can see my new group calendar right here. Okay, so let me go back. Okay, so here on the left side, you can see Group Calendar. Now, to make this a group calendar, you need to share it. At this point, I'm the only person who can see this group calendar on my Google. So what you're going to do is hover over it and then click on these three dots. Once you click there, you can change the color of the group calendar if you want. Maybe I want it to be purple, and then click on the three dots again, and then click on Settings and Sharing. Okay, next you want to go ahead and scroll down. Okay, guys, so here is how you can share your Google group calendar. So first off, if you want, you can make it public, but just note that this is going to make it public to everybody. So your Google Calendar can be searched on Google, and anybody who has the link, they're going to be able to see the events on that. So I would really recommend that unless you're some sort of a public figure where you need people to know where you're at all the time. What I would recommend is right down here. So as you can see, I'm the only person in this particular Google Calendar group. And what you want to do is click here, Add People and Groups. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see this box up. So you can go ahead and add people by their email. So if your group shares an email, that entire group that has access to that email would be having access into this particular Google Calendar. Also, you want to be sure to click on permissions. So the people in your group will be able to only see your availability. If you choose this one, they can see all of the details that you have written into the Google Calendar event. This one allows them to make changes to the events as well. So they can go in there and change the time. They can go in there and change the date. And this one, they can also make changes and manage sharing. So they can add other people into the group Google Calendar if you choose this one. So this really depends on you. Usually I choose this one right here, See All Event Details. So once you've added everybody into this particular Google Calendar for your group, be sure to click on Send. That way they're going to receive an invitation to go ahead and add that calendar into their Google Calendar. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a group Google Calendar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.